check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Before. This is gonna be my first time. It should be just right behind those gates in front of me. Let's go have some fun. We're now entering the Freedom Factory racetrack. I've never been here before. Guess I'm gonna have to park over there since I don't have a working e-brake. Alright, successfully parked it here. The car didn't blow up on the way here. Drove fine. 2 hours drive from Orlando. We're good. Now let's go see some cars and see what everybody's up to. Pressure, that's crazy.
Alright, boot controller's on. Got a 780 122, 1,300 foot pounds of torque. Yeah, I gotta hit it later. Hold on.
All right, guys, I'm warming up my car now. We're gonna do a little bit of two-step action. I already just started the car, and the crowd is already starting to gather around the car. Got a few people around here. Oh yeah? Wait, one more degree. All right, red button. It's showtime. Got it warmed up? I think it's warming up now. Hopefully. The red button is up. Sounds good, bro. A lot of flames in the hood. Does it shoot flame out the back?
I don't know. You got to do it again.
Film one out the back, yeah.
Yeah, definitely a lot of flames in the back too.
I can still make it shoot more flame, but I still tweaking the two-step though.
Yeah, I've heard the Haltech stuff. It gets rowdy.
Yeah, it's really nice. I'm gonna have the laptop there. I can tweak it some more.
I think they're all happy with that. It's a two-step contest.
Oh, what have we done?
See where you started?
Hey, gotta entertain the people, right? Thank you, Emilio.
I'm the new camera guy.
Now this is what I wanted to hear. Oye, suena bien.
Gracias, gracias.
Two-step.
¿No tengo gasolina?
¿Ah? No two-step?
¿No tiene gasolina para darle? Para sacar.
The grand finale. We have the Plumbers Drag Racing band on the dyno. Which is super loud, by the way. And it looks like that is a wrap. My car sitting all by itself almost all the way over there. Everybody seems to be gone. Lex is there waiting for burnouts, which are not gonna happen. Do you wanted to see some burnouts?
Yeah.
Did you see some burnouts?
I drove 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours?
And I was
drove
trying
two.
to see some burnouts.
No burnouts
But
today.
there are no burnouts.
Nope.
And I'm very sad.
There was a strict rule, no burnouts, and there were no burnouts. So they stuck to the rules, so you can't blame that. So you came on false expectations. But you did
thought
you
the
get to
Freedom
see
Factory
the thing, the loud van thingy.
Trying to see it do some burnouts.
Yeah. At least they saw my car two-step, which was fun. So that was a good highlight. And they got to see this. The plumber's crack.
Who's gonna do burnouts? It's up to you.
I can't do a burnout.
Yeah, you can.
You can't do a
If he
burnout.
does a burnout, he's,
I can't do a burnout. I don't want to get
kicked
kicked out of Freedom Factory. Not happening. I'm out of here. It's freezing. Bye, guys. I don't know if I made an ending for this video yet or not, but if I didn't, I just want to let you guys know that I am also working on customers' cars now. So Bigboost Shop is finally open to the public. So email for inquiries at bigboostshop@gmail.com. Also, like, you can inquiry for about any parts. I'm carrying over 100 different brands at the shop. They're not up in the site, but if you need any parts, it's most likely that I can get it for you, and I can get you a really good deal for it. So make sure to send me an email at bigboostshop@gmail.com, or you can also message me on Instagram. Either both ways are very easy for me to reply to you, and I can get you going, or we can take care of your car here. I'm not only doing race car builds, I'm also doing like repairs and maintenance on cars. So whatever you need, message me or email me. I'll be more than happy to take care of your car. So thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Alberto Bigboost here. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell.